Hi everyone, it's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and so I have a project share. I had 30 minutes today, and I said I'm going to do 30 minutes of crafting. So, what can you do in 30 minutes? Because you got to break everything out and work on something, and then clean it back up. Well, sometimes clean it back up. But so, what did I do? I grabbed Anna Griffin card making kit, and I grabbed a new one that I got. This is Anna Griffin card making kids kit, and I had already showed it, so let me just show you what I made. So it was still kind of hard because it was supposed to be half boy and half girl, but the boys still was a little bit hard for me to make. It wasn't as boyish. It's more, this is very child, little kids, not, you know, this is for like 8 and younger. But anyway, so there is a lot of raised. This, and this has raised elements, and it's very layered. So there's one, and on the inside they all say some kind of happy birthday or something, and I don't sign them. I send them to my mom, so she's going to get these 10 to pass out to grandchildren. So there's one. It's going to be fast. See, this is another boy one, but there's another. There's another. But see, I like how this matched this, so I did like that. And this, there's a lot of raised elements, but you may not be able to tell and see. Here's another one. It was very fun. 10 in like half hour. That's not bad. And here is the last little boy one that I thought was true little boy, but this has got pink in it, so I don't know. So, but they're all, any girl could take these. But I don't know. A lot of this is all pink now, so I think it's very girly. So that one's cute. I don't know if you can see the raised on it or not, but there's 3 raised. This one's cute. But see, like this little girl one, this could be a girl and girl. So there's a couple more. I don't have very many. The butterflies are 3-dimensional. 2 more, 2 more. Isn't that cute? But it just gives you some ideas. So there they are. Hope you liked them. Hope I gave you some ideas. Had fun doing it. Just wanted to share. Hit the bell because I'm heading to bed, and I saw this and said, hey, I can do a 4-minute video. So I have 45 seconds to talk to you. Oh no, just hit the bell. That bell right there, the subscribe bell, and then I'll go. Okay, thanks. Have a great night. Bye.